Hey everybody, how's it going? So out here in Arizona, it's freezing and winter can be really harsh on the skin. So some of my favorite ways to counteract that are actually using the Alitura moisturizer instead of the gold serum on more drier, colder days, as well as our Alitura body lotion, which is much more of a thicker consistency. We have Brazilian acai butter, andiroba, a little lemongrass, and sandalwood. It's a very rich, nourishing, hydrating formula. And then at night, before you go to bed, I like our night cream because it's thick. It's the most important time to hydrate and heal the skin when you're in one position for hours before bed. So as you can see, I'm a little shiny right now, but definitely hydrated.